What is up, guys? Think you've seen everything the smartphone world has to offer? Imagine a phone that gives you a pro-grade camera, a gaming console, and a massive power bank, all packed into one sleek device. You're probably thinking, man, that sounds like a concept dream. But what if I told you this dream is about to become reality? Today, we are talking about the legendary tech giant, Nokia, and the smartphone that is literally sending shockwaves through the industry. We're talking about the most hyped and highly anticipated phone of the year, the Nokia Magic Max 5G. Now, you might be thinking, bro, another day, another phone leak. But hold up, because what Nokia is cooking right now is an absolute banger. We're talking a 200-megapixel DSLR killer camera, a beastly processor, and a battery that just won't quit. So, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Let's dive right into the full leaked specs, price, and launch date of this absolute monster. Features of the Nokia Magic Max 5G. Alright, let's kick things off with the looks. According to the leaks, the Nokia Magic Max 5G is rocking a massive 6.85-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display. But here's the real game changer. A buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're doomscrolling on social media or sweating it out in heavy gaming sessions, every single pixel will feel insanely responsive and lifelike. For gamers, this is an absolute dream come true. Plus, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor for sleek security, and an IP69 rating for ultimate dust and water resistance. Basically, this phone is built like a tank and ready for whatever you throw at it. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the absolute cannon on the back that's grabbing all the headlines, the camera. Guys, Nokia is bringing the heat, and the competition is definitely sweating. The Nokia Magic Max 5G features a triple camera setup, headlined by an insane 200-megapixel primary sensor. This isn't just a gimmick, it means your low-light, nighttime shots are going to look as crisp and clear as daytime. It also packs a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing those massive landscapes, and a 24-megapixel telephoto lens, to bring distant objects right to you without losing quality. And don't worry, selfie lovers, Nokia didn't forget about you. The 50-megapixel front camera means every single selfie is going to give you that premium, DSLR-like quality. Performance. But hey, a god-tier camera needs a god-tier brain to process everything, right? Nokia didn't hold back here, either. This beast is powered by Qualcomm's newest and most powerful silicon, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip is so blazing fast you could open 100 apps at once, run heavy games, and edit 4K video without a single stutter. To top it all off, it's going to run on the brand new Android 16, making the whole experience ridiculously smooth and powerful. Long-term update anxiety, gone. Battery backup. Now for the million-dollar question. With all these crazy specs, is the battery going to be dead by noon? Absolutely not. The Nokia Magic Max 5G is packing a jaw-dropping 8900 mAh battery. You can push this phone to its absolute limits, and it will still easily last you all day and night. And if you somehow manage to drain it, no stress. It comes with 120-watt ultra-fast charging. You literally plug it in, go grab a cup of coffee, and boom, it's back from 0 to 100%. Oh, and it also features reverse wireless charging, so you can be the hero who charges up your friends' dying phones. Price and launch date. Alright guys, the moment of truth. How much is all this going to cost? According to leaks and tech experts, this phone is expected to launch at around $899. For a 200-megapixel camera and an almost 9000 mAh battery, that is an absolute steal. As for the launch date, rumor has it Nokia could drop this bad boy into the market by the end of this year, so we are just a few months away. So, what do you guys think? Are you as hyped for the Nokia Magic Max 5G as I am? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below.